Rollo, and I'm bringing you this emergency cryptocurrency update. Now, this is a very interesting situation right now, and if you're into cryptocurrencies, this is a video for you because really must watch it. And if you're looking to long Bitcoin right now, this is also a video for you to watch. Now, certainly, and without any further ado, let's get right into the content because you guys are asking me to get to the point as fast as possible. So I'm asking you, just leave a like and let's get to the content right now and make some noise down in the comments as always. So, a very important situation currently that we are seeing a huge rejection here happening, which in my personal opinion is a very bullish sign. Now, we did not come to my target of $34,700 target, but we did come down to 34,300. So if this ends up being the bottom of Bitcoin, I mean, this is gonna be as spot on as humanly possible. And if you haven't watched my previous video, check it out where I said that I'm still sticking to my initial prediction that we could see a bottom around this area of $34,000. And currently, the good thing is that we're starting to form higher lows and higher highs, which again is not really that important, but it gives us a general market understanding of the general market sentiment and what is going on and how the momentum might be shifting. So we have this bottom right here, and then we are potentially forming a higher low right here, and we certainly already have a higher high, which was this high, and certainly this one is higher than the previous one. So we are starting to form a very interesting formation right here, which could be which could result in quite a bullish move after all. However, before you become very happy and say that this is the bottom, we're turning around, watch this video till the end. Because again, we have the geopolitical situation is not really that very good. I mean, fears that Moscow plans to encircle and threaten Kiev, and there are some bombings 20 kilometers away from Kiev. We're actually inside Kiev already at this point, which is quite bad. And overall, the markets are plummeting. And for example, the Russian market dropped 50% yesterday, which is just incredible. This is historically the biggest drop ever, and the ruble has gone to like 90 or 100 for €1. So it's absolutely incredible. But at the same time, Bitcoin is actually rallying. So this is quite a bullish, in my personal opinion, quite a bullish scenario for the time being, and especially if we consider that we're seeing quite a lot of volume, and we're going to take a look at the volume shortly. So in this time of crisis, Bitcoin has shown this kind of strength, this kind of retracement right here. So unless it just drops just as fast going down, like immediately, then it is going to be read by many as an incredibly good sign. Now, what is our current target, and are we out of the woods? And obviously, currently, this could have been a bottom, right? But at the same time, we cannot really confirm it until we see at least a break above $41,700 right here, which, as you remember, was very important with many confirmations in the past. A bunch here, then a lot here, then we got rejected from it right here, where a lot of people were saying that this could end up being a head and shoulders pattern, which just wasn't completed. So yeah, for it to be completed, we had to go above here, above 46,000. So it's a good thing we didn't get whacked here, because I would have been entering here potentially as well. But this currently serves as a very important target for us, which is at about 41,700, 41,500, or 41,000. You can run it down to 41,000 depending on how fast we're going to be coming to it, because the slower we are, the lower will be this resistance right here, which is extremely important currently. And if we go to a smaller time frame, and if we're gonna go to Bitcoin, because this is a bunch of stuff in here, but let's take a look at the volume, and you're gonna find out that the volume is absolutely incredible. Look at it. Look at this size of volume in the daily chart. This is more than this capitulation candle right here that we saw previously in the bear run, in the beginning of the bear run right here. And we have this is the biggest amount of volume in one single trading day since I don't know how long. Since here is since the breakout of July of 21. So this is absolutely incredible. This is a very good sign currently in terms of the volume. But again, don't celebrate just yet. But certainly, if you're going to say that we have a terrible geopolitical situation and we have so much volume happening, it is a very good sign, and certainly it is. So and currently also, which is very important, we actually broke above this resistance right in this area in the 1 hour chart and actually closed above it, and currently are forming a very interesting flag right here, which could serve as an interesting opportunity to enter with a very short stop loss, either into a short trade with a take profit of 37,500 with just this simple range right here. So you can actually measure the potential take profit of this wedge or flag, whatever, and it will be right at this potential resistance, which we could bounce off of, or in either direction. Again, just scalp trades, really quick trades that we are actually taking here at the trading floor. And by the way, we are making profits at the trading floor, and I hope that you're looking forward to the full season 1 that is going to come out. 7 episodes will come out in March. So let me know down in the comments if you're looking forward to season 1, and then especially for season 2. For the announcement of season 2. So this is basically what we're currently looking at, and this is a very interesting opportunity for just scalp trades, like short-term trades. And if you want to be trading actively, down in the description of this video, you'll find my personalized link to Bybit, using which you can register, open an account, deposit money into it, and claim up to $4,100 in free bonuses and a 30% discount on commissions. So go down in the description and enjoy this amazing bonus. So just in general, you certainly can be long biased in this instance, and with very super tight risk and money management, find yourself some really cool, interesting trades along the way. But in terms of a bigger trade, you can certainly try and trade this breakout with a target of currently 41,000. The first target would obviously be 40,500, which we have seen to be very important previously. From right here, we had a bunch of confirmations, then we actually did get slowed down here, and basically this could be our current mini target. But then the most important resistance is going to come in at 42,300 and 41,500, 700, which I've mentioned before. And then lastly, to confirm this turnaround, is going to be $46,000 right here. So I wouldn't celebrate just yet, but there is volume and everything is bad in the world, but Bitcoin is actually rallying, at least somewhat. So it's not as bad as we might have expected. So this is a very good situation, but I would be very careful with longing the market right now unless you use proper risk and money management, very clear, understandable stops, good risk to reward ratio, and just trading this up move going upward without risking too much. And yeah, as always, thank you very much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and always leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.